Hi. I've been thinking about how people say bless you when someone sneezes, and my girlfriend and I are going to try to let go of that because from what I understand it comes from the belief that your soul is leaving your body when you sneeze, and I don't think that's the case, and most people don't, and so I'm just kind of questioning that whole following along with cultural rituals that don't really mean anything. Now, if there's somebody that I haven't talked to about this, I'll bless them if they sneeze, and then if I feel comfortable enough, let them know about my thoughts on blessing people. And as I think blessings are nice, but maybe they should be reserved for when the person is feeling low or down or confused, and not just because they have allergy or something else that's stimulating their little nostril hairs or whatever. So thought I'd share that idea in case it resonates. I don't think this will necessarily be the beginning of a big revolution of people not blessing people, but it's something to play with, something to experiment with, stepping out of the old cultural conditioning, seeing how that feels.